it means a lot of different things to different people to say I'm a behavioral psychologist. To some people that means personality, it could mean neuroscience. What I mean by it is that I study the relationship between what's going on out here and the things people do, okay? And then help leaders apply that. Now, the truth is, you don't need any help to apply all of the principles of behavior. You're already doing it. Anytime you talk with anyone, you're the environment, or at least probably the most important piece of their environment while they're talking to them. So you're already managing their performance, okay? You need help applying these principles about as much as you need help using your knowledge of gravity to stick to the earth, okay? That said, your knowledge of gravity probably isn't gonna, while it's pretty useful for keeping you on the ground, isn't gonna get you into space. So if you wanna get into space, you're gonna have to deepen your understanding of the laws of physics. If you wanna take your team's performance to the next level, then you're gonna have to deepen your understanding of the laws of performance, okay? I know a lot of you, or I've talked with a few of you, not everyone here manages teams. The good news is this stuff applies everywhere. I'm going to talk about it specifically in a work situation, but this works with your loved ones, this works with, well, it works with your enemies too, okay? And everyone in between, enemies, friends, everyone in the middle, okay? So, my intention is that today you leave here with a new view of why people do things and why people are performing or not, and that you leave with a few things you can actually start applying to get more of the performance you want, less of the performance you don't. There's 3 parts to today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about a useful way of looking at any problem or challenge you're facing, okay? We're going to spend a little bit of time on that. We're going to spend most of our time looking at the 3 forces of performance and the effects that they have, not only on how much people are or aren't performing, but also how it influences people's experience. And we're going to do some activities that I hope are kind of fun. And then we're going to look at actually how to apply them in organizations. I would say take this point and start listening for that here and here, because we're not going to spend a ton of time talking about this specifically, but if you walk away with a good understanding of these, you'll be able to see how to apply them. Your job for this next part is to root for Maria, okay? So when she gets close, you go, ooh, right? If she gets one, you go, yay. Here's your job. Here's your job. I don't know why I'm paying you to do this, but I want you to take these cards, stand right here, and one by one, toss them onto the chair. Okay? A correct answer is one on the chair. A close answer is hitting the chair. And if it lands over there, it's oh.
Oh.
Training.
Ooh. That's close.
Yay! Ooh, that was good. That was really good.
Yeah!
Okay, all right, good. All right, was that kind of fun?
That was fun.
It was kind of fun, right? Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit different.
Uh-oh.
We're going to give you the same job, okay? We're going to give you the same job, and now your job is just to watch. No cheering.
Bet she gets more.
No cheering. Wait.
Oh gosh, you moved it away. I heard something.
Okay. Okay, no noise, okay? Go ahead. All right, try again. All right, try again. All right, try again. All right, try again.
I could be throwing it.
Okay,
at
try
people.
again. Okay, try one more time.
I didn't get any.
All right, open, you can take the blindfold off. Okay, how was that?
I got 2.
No, those were from before.
Oh, okay. All right.
How was that?
That was a little frustrating because I didn't know what I was doing.
It was a little frustrating. You didn't know what you were doing.
Yeah.
You weren't getting any feedback, okay? You had no one connecting, no one to root for you, okay? This, I think, is how a lot of people's jobs are. Okay? When we're talking about getting, there's a lot of things you could get. You could get things that satisfy your basic biological needs, but you also could get a connection with another person. And one thing we really actually like to get out of our behavior is just we get to see the results of it. So we will actually play little games like this because when we do things, it produces results.